What's up guys, in today's video I have another package from the cubicle. Alright, so we got moyu rs3m 2020. So we're just gonna cut this open. And yeah, I got the cube right here, receipt, and the I have the same thing, look, 3 times. I also got some lube. It's the qiyi lube. Let's get that out of the way. Let's open this first. You got the wrap. This is my first really good puzzle. That's better than this. But, I mean, once I put lube in it, it's okay. Oops, I accidentally scrambled it. Anyways, so I'll work on that later. Alright, so we're getting the thing unwrapped. Anyways, so let's get this open. It feels nice. It feels really nice. I heard really good things about this, so got the box. It says accessory box. Oh no. Right on it. And we got the moyu stand. Yes, thank you. And we got the cube. It's only nope, they're the same thing. I was like, it's like they were not right. So this is my first cube with magnets, apparently. Oh, this turns really good. I haven't turned a cube like this in forever, so definitely feels good. So we can like do some M moves on this. A boss. Look at that. We can do some T-perms. Wow, this thing's pretty nice. Let's try this. Let's try doing an each perm, actually. Actually, let's do this one. Not bad. So I definitely like this cube. I need some lubing. So, I'm just gonna... Ah! Look at that. Hold on, ready? Alright, let's test the corner cutting, so we're gonna do it. Oops. Nope. That's not that bad. Should I reverse? Nope. No. There you go. Alright, let's try it the other way. Oh, and that's nice. Let's try it there. Oh, this is definitely 45 degrees. Alright. So let's get to the accessory box. So we got these tensioning tool. We got some cards, this tensioning, and this guy. And we got the this guy as well. It's someone. We got the good old screw and a replacement tensioning thing. Alright, so we just put that up here because I'm not going to be needing those. And actually, I have an idea. I'm going to tension this up and see if the puzzle set to the right tensioning and that I want it to be. And let's see the... Oh, wow. Look at that. I like that corner cutting, though. Hold on a minute. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going to put some lube in there. So actually, let's test out the lube, though, and see what it looks like. So we got the lube. Just open it up, just like a casual box. Doesn't look very casual, though, for lube. I do have GAN Magic Lube, though. So I can use that, though, if I wanted to. But I'm not going to. Because just why? Oh my god, this thing will not come out. So, Okay, let me just open up the other side and just push it up the other side. There you go. Alright, so, it's definitely, that's not a lot of lube for this big bottle. That's weird. Anyways, so I'm going to put some of this lube and some of the Gain Magic lube in the cube, and we'll get back to you after I'm done with that. Alright, so this definitely turns better, and we're just going to do a quick solve on it, and also, yeah, let's do this. We're going to compare it to this, so let's move all this out of the way. And let's do it. Alright, so I tensioned it all up and did all lube and stuff. Definitely turns better with the lube in there. Hold on a minute, let me scratch some of this off. But anyways, so yeah. This is a very good lube. It just doesn't come in a big bottle. Anyways, so let's scram this up first. And I have not learned CFOP, so I'm kind of slow. So let's do this. Oops, I haven't turned it on yet. And 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, this is definitely an improvement from the other cube that I have. Yeah, I love this cube. I might know this algorithm. No, I don't. Ah! Got the +2. But, so let's do it on this one, and see what the time improvement is. So yeah, right off the bat, you can hear that this one is really noisy. Oh, there you go. So yeah, I finished F2L in like 40 minutes, 40 seconds, I mean. So yeah, it's definitely an improvement. But somehow I did faster on this cube, though. So, alright, we're going to do this cube one more time, and yeah, see how it goes. Alright, so we're just going to scramble this up. Alright, we got the, I don't know what I'm doing. 3, 2, 1, go. This feels a little loose though, so I'm hoping to tighten it up, and it'll feel probably much better. Yeah, that's right. Alright, yeah. So, that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one.